Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can fade to black or white in Premiere Pro CC. So the two videos I'm going to be using are a video of a harbour and a video of a beach. Links to both of the videos will be in the description. So I'm going to bring both of the video clips onto the timeline, and then I'm going to remove the audio from this video because we don't need any audio, and then I will just play the video for you. Now as you can see, when it changes between the two clips there isn't any sort of transition. So if we want to make it fade to black or fade to white in between them, then we're either going to use the dip to black effect or the dip to white effect. So to apply one of the effects, we're first going to click the effects tab. If you can't see the effects tab along the top, then all you need to do is click the arrows and you should be able to see effects in the list. Now once we've clicked the effects tab, in the search bar we're then going to type dip, and then under video transitions and dissolve, you should be able to see a dip to black effect and a dip to white effect. So I'm going to drag the dip to black effect in between the two video clips like so, and then I'm going to click OK. And now if I play the video, as you can see it fades to black in between the two clips. Now if we want to change the speed that it fades in and out at, then all we need to do is change the length of the effect. So if we want to make it take longer to fade in, then all we're going to do is we're going to click the effect and we're going to drag it and make it longer. So now if we play the video, as you can see it now takes longer to fade in, and if we want to make it fade in quicker, then all we need to do is click the effect and then make it smaller. So now if we play the video, as you can see it now fades in much quicker. Now the same works for fading in and out as well, you just change the length of the effect. Now if you want to fade in and out at the start of the video, then you can't use the dip to black or dip to white effects really anymore. So just to show you, if I drag the dip to black effect and I put it at the start of the video, and then I play the video, as you can see it stays black for quite a while. Now we can't change this anymore, so if I click on the effect and I click effects control, we can no longer change the start and the end. Now that changed with the version 12.1 update to Premiere Pro, so now we're going to have to do it a different way. So I'm just going to remove the dip to black effect off the start, and then I'm going to come back to the project tab here. Now once we're at the project tab, we're then going to click the new item button down here, and then I'm going to click color matte here. So once we click color matte, we can then click OK, and then we can select the color that we want the color matte to be. So if you want to fade from black at the beginning, then you want to select black, and if you want to fade from white at the beginning, then you want to select white. So I'm going to select black, and then I'm going to click OK, and then you need to name the color matte. So I'm just going to name it black color matte, like so. And then once we've created our color matte, we're then going to select both of our clips on the timeline, and we're going to move them up a layer. So once we've done that, we're then going to drag the color matte that we created and we're going to put it below the two video clips. And then I'm going to drag it and make it as long as the whole video. So now if we change the opacity of the video clips, then the color matte below will show through. So now if we click on the first video and we come to the effects control, we then want to drag the pointer to the beginning of the video, and we're first going to change the opacity to 0%, and then we're going to press enter, and then we're going to drag the pointer along a little bit and say about there, and we're then going to change the opacity to 100%. And then we're going to press enter, and as you can see, that will create two keyframes like so. So now if we drag the pointer back to the beginning of the video and we play it, as you can see it now fades in. So what that's doing is it's changing the opacity of the video. Now if we want to make it take longer to fade in, then all we need to do is we just need to drag the second keyframe and we can move it along a bit. So now if I play the video, as you can see it takes longer to fade in, or you can drag the second keyframe and you can move it in closer. So now if we play the video, as you can see it fades in quicker. Now what about if we want to fade out? So if I come to the second video clip and I go towards the end, we're first going to decide when we want it to start fading out. So I'd say about there. So we're first going to create ourselves a keyframe again. So at the minute we're going to click this circle here and that will create a keyframe like so. So at that point the video is at 100%, and then we're just going to drag the pointer to the end of the video clip, and we're then going to change the opacity to 0%. and then we're going to press enter. And now if we play the video, as you can see, it now fades out. So what these two keyframes here are doing is it's changing it from 100% opacity to then 0% opacity again. Now just like before, if we want to make it fade out quicker, then all we need to do is make the keyframes closer together, and if we want to make it take longer, then we drag the keyframes further apart. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.